Now I am going to describe the admin panel HTML template that I will use in order to complete this project. And this is my admin panel. I created a index.html and this is the dashboard. Here you see I added a chart here. If you refresh, this is the chart, and latest listing here is just a sample table I added in the dashboard, and in the dashboard there are some items here. There is a form. I used a form here and I implemented it. For example, some text fields are here, and you will see here there is a search box. This is a search select box. Okay, so this is a select to I have used, and here is a subject, there is a map, there is a message you see. So this is a very basic form. There is a form tab option. If I go here, you will see there are some options: heading, title, and in the testimonial section, and there is a tab. Actually there is a tab system. Okay, so just for example, some sample are given here, and the HTML is form tab.html. This is a active and inactive system, and there is a basic table I used here. This is a bootstrap 5 table, so very basic table. And after that there is a data table of jQuery. You see, you can search here like this, and also a pagination comes here, and also how many entries that is showing here. Previous and next button are also given here. So this is a basic setup that is actually needed to implement project with admin panel. So all the admin panel functions, so that admin can change anything in this website. So all this table, all these forms I will implement using this template. And here you see logged in as admin or something like that. Here my name is given, logged in as RFin, and here is admin panel. And also there is edit profile section in the top. If I click here, you will see this is a user edit profile section. So if the admin wants, he can change his profile photo, he can change his password and other information from here. And there is a logout button. If I go to logout, you see this is actually the login.html this page, and this is the starting page. From here admin will give his email address here, and also admin will give his password here, and then if you click on login, he will be logged into the dashboard. And there is a forget password option. If anyone click here, the forget password page, that means forget password.html page will come here. There is a submit button, and back to login page, this button. So like the forget password, there will be another one, that is reset password. You see, in order to reset the password, he will be able to give his new password and retype the new password again and submit. So in short, this is actually the admin panel. I hope you have understood.